Becoming a certified digital marketing strategist actually plays a very big part in me furthering my career within this area. My name is Judy. I am currently the head of content at First Page Digital. In the past decade, I have been going more and more in depth into digital marketing itself, and that is where I found my passion. We were actually looking for training academies that can provide digital marketing courses. I think Equinet Academy stood up because, first of all, we had the hands-on approach that the school actually takes. Another thing that I like about Equinet Academy is that the trainers are real-world industry experts. So most of them are people who have been working for some time and are also still working in the industries. So they are the best people to advise and give tips and tricks on how we can navigate this whole digital marketing stratosphere. Becoming a certified digital marketing strategist actually plays a very big part in me furthering my career within this area. The course actually helped to accelerate my understanding because courses are structured in a very personalized approach. We start off in a very comfortable pace where we learn the fundamentals of digital marketing such as social media marketing, and then we move on to more advanced modules. And this actually helps me to have a very clear understanding of the whole digital marketing play. At the end of the day, I think having a very clear understanding and a very workable knowledge of these individual aspects of digital marketing gives me a better level of confidence for me to execute my day-to-day scope of work. So I also think that it's great that Equinet Academy provides post-training support in the form of clinic sessions as well as complimentary refresher courses. So at any point of time that we have any concerns or questions, we can just reach out to the trainers directly or access learning materials in the learning portal. So within this learning portal, there's also templates that we can use that can complement what we do at work, and this is something that takes out a lot of administrative effort and allow us to focus on the important things. If you are considering a career in digital marketing, I think it's important to be up to speed to the latest trends and the latest concepts that's happening, and I think this is something that Equinet Academy can deliver. At the end of the day, I think it is very important to be honest in terms of identifying the gaps that you have in your knowledge in terms of the skills and concepts, and then look for courses that can help you to fill up these gaps. This is where Equinet Academy can come in to give advice and also take a look at your portfolio and what is your experience to propose suitable courses that can benefit you in your career. When I was taking the course, I see people from all walks of life. So there are people who are regional directors in their companies, all the way to fresh graduates who are just looking for the leg up, a little boost in terms of having a clearer understanding of digital marketing. So no matter where you are in your career, I think having a very specialized certification would definitely help you achieve your goals if that is something that you want to do.